Draw mine, I bus, you know. Draw, I push bus. I push bus outside with it.
Outside.
Yeah?
Jack.
Outside with it.
Check you know.
Farm side, you know.
Yeah, no.
See wings of steel, eh? I am a fly him shot clean up. Space where they go. Hi. On the way to space, you know. Understand?
Jupiter and Mars trip. Going to Jupiter.
We still out here.
Wickedness increase, you know.
Oh. They're on there. Outside. Again, watch out for you there. Everyone they are chopped through it. Away, boy. Country man?
Out here.
We out
here like we don't feel.
Oh, what? Blaze by your drop and fall and fell, you know. Oh. I thought I left back this up. Watch ya. I hold that drop and fall and fell.
Minutes. You need a John?
You feel right, idiot. The great push river that go on. Yeah, drop. Pull up, pull on. Walk one. Yeah, look for them, cuz.
Don't catch out the whole of them and then dead off.
Ja.
That's how catch all how much and Blaze. Murder them. Years Blaze for sure say murder.
Murderer. Murderer.
Everywhere we look right now, we not see none of them.
We love to squeeze shot for niggas. Put it up. Put it up. Boom. Gun down them niggas. Get that body man drop off in a river a while ago with all his phone.
Yo, Rasta River, a while ago.
Yo, the man drop off the river with his phone, bro. You can't believe me. Yo, the man drop off your fuck with the shovel and everything.
Yo, you don't test me what a wicked a while ago. Phone up fucking them nerve.
You're rough, dog. Yo, we just want to put up the bag them on the rest up there so if you get higher again, you know. What the fuck? You better know that. You better know that. Watch the man. The man left all the shovel in there. Watch out. Well, I'm showing you pray. Man, I carry the shovel there. Drop off the water with it. Yeah, if one still work?
No, it's lock off.
You lock it off?
No, it's lock off.
Water just for you tonight. Put my hottest part, I son. No, every man I walk around there, so you choose to walk this side. That's why you're here for. You go on. You go on. Days upon days of work. We'll finally get it look how we want it look. You know what I mean? Quick, down, bro, God.
You understand, brother? Yes, me I say.
Holy for the earth,
man, make a earth cool.
You see that now?
No joking.
Yes, it take away.
Yeah, what the fuck? Now go through yourself.
How that baby? Should I say I walk?
Yeah. Leave your fuck. Look at my floor now.
Your turn there. You can't walk through this, so I have my bag. Yeah, man, that's how we make the place look. Say now, go through there.
Yeah, but I can go off that one here. The whole I walk in my floor, I left a while ago.
Push. Over on the farm. Eh? On the farm, we there. On the farm, we there. See that? We did all this work to have this swimming hole. Step on we a step. Food. Food side, you know. Blazing. Tall man not getting plate yet. How we go on?
Hello, mommy.
Tall man not getting plate yet.
What me say?
No see about the general there.
Hello, mommy.
Chop them. So the money deep it.
How long that, mommy?
Good, the money going on food, you know. Up, Chris.
Oh, that's that past hours now.
Coloring book back.
Why are they no brother, man? Why are they no, man?
You might do the cooking vessel.
Get them chunk food in our system, brother, you see me?
You understand? Yeah, man, it's how we living, you know.
Yeah, you understand?
The real, them are the real braggins.
Right,
You
you
hear
know?
that?
When the thing don't get straight, no restaurant don't own the right for them food.